spontaneity that goes almost unmatched even despite the pretty simple mechanics. Of course, it's not just the assortment of connected rooms that makes this tight, but how packed they are as well. Chest-high cover, pillars, and office desks that are littered throughout a cubicle help make individual regions of the map feel more compact and necessitate more careful environment to their advantage.
Let's come back to our discussion. Then for space exploration also, space expeditions and discoveries, they require analyzing vast amount of data, and AI and ML is the best way to handle and process the data on this scale, because this AI and ML is especially actually being famous for handling large amount of data. And artificial intelligence is also being used by NASA's next rover mission to Mars, that is the Mars 2020 rover. This AGIS, which is an AI-based Mars rover, is already on the red planet, this Mars. And this rover, that is based on AI, will be responsible for autonomous targeting of cameras in order to perform investigation on Mars. Let me show you a video regarding the same. I'll show you the video. Wait. See? March 2020, this AI-based rover.
I'm sure many of you history buffs out there have heard about the Age of Discovery. This was between the 15th and 18th century. Ever pursued, like the explorers, Pioneer has been built.
2020 rover, named for its Mars 2020 rover, named for its planned launch date in the year 2020, is the next generation of Mars exploration rover. The M2020 will perform high-priority scientific investigations, including important. Pioneer circuits will contribute over 200 parts to the M2020 rover, including major components that go into the Mastcam Z. Unlike its predecessors on the MERs and MSL, which relied on black and white cameras, the cameras will now be in full color with higher resolution. There will be a drone helicopter on board the rover that Pioneer is also contributing parts to. The helicopter will be able to provide an aerial view of the difficult terrain in order to navigate the best possible routes for the rover. Pioneer Circuits built a 35-foot. The M2020 upped that turret size by 50 contact sensors, and it will have a new arm optimized for the heavier payload.
Well, so we have seen that.
What makes this mission super exciting is that search for alien life,
space applications
while laying down the foundations for manned
lots of
missions to the red planet.
Facts regarding Mars. So NASA is utilizing it. Yeah. Let's come back to our discussion. Now, in autonomous vehicles, means self-driving car, self-driving cycles, we have artificial intelligence as the most vital role played, and the companies like Waymo. Okay, this already conducted several test drives in Phoenix before deploying their first AI-based public ride-hailing services. And this AI system collects data from the vehicle's radars, cameras, GPS, and cloud services to produce control signals that operate the vehicle. And deep learning algorithms are being utilized here, which can accurately predict what objects in the vehicle's vicinity are likely to do. And about the deep learning, I'll in the near future create a lecture on it where I'll discuss in details about it. But till now, you can consider it is a bunch of neural network based model or algorithm whose accuracy is too high compared to the other algorithms. So this is being used by Waymo's self-driving cars. Okay, so let me show you one video of such Waymo's product. Okay. This This is the Waymo self-driving car. Fully self-driving cars will take you places. Okay. These are the characteristics of these cars. That's what we give you. So you have given the destination. Car is moving without the driver. That is driverless car. You don't need to worry about the person coming on the feet. Stops. You can easily detect the objects. Okay. Different Waymo 01, Waymo 02, Waymo 03. How accurately the car is being driven. Traffic signals are also being considered. Car display, front view. Okay, that sounds of course very interesting. So this is a famous application of artificial intelligence, self-driving cars. Waymo. Okay, then coming back to our discussion. Now next is social media. No need to say that how well this AI being is used in social media. And I hope you already are being very familiar with Facebook, and here AI is used for face verification and this machine learning, where machine learning and deep learning concepts are used to detect facial features and tag your friends. Whenever you post a figure, it means pics, then if along with you some friends of you are there, they will be automatically recognized, detected if they are in Facebook, of course, no doubt, and then auto tag option will be there. Okay. So deep learning is used to extract every minor details from an image by using a bunch of deep neural networks, and machine learning algorithms are used to design your feed based on your interests. So I hope you all are familiar with these applications, because I know that all of you guys have posted till now different pics in the Facebook, and there you have seen that how face verification is done. Okay, how tagging will be done, like that. Then in Twitter also, AI is being used to identify hate speech, terrorist language in the tweets. So it makes use of, again, ML, deep learning, natural language processing to filter out offensive content. And believe me, the company already discovered and banned 3 lakhs terrorist linked accounts, and 95% of which were found by non-human AI-based machine. Obviously, this is kind of achievement in the field of artificial intelligence in social media. Clear? Then we have different artificial creativity like MuseNet. MuseNet can be used to compose different musics, classical music that echoes the classical legends Bach and Mozart. And this is again a deep neural network that is capable of generating 4-minute musical compositions with 10 different instruments and can combine styles from country to Mozart to the Beatles. So this is obviously very interesting. You just type MuseNet and you can see how well it performs. You can obviously go through a demo also. Then, so these are the different applications. Let me show you one more thing, because artificial intelligence is being used in war also. Means war robot has already been designed. Let me show you one thing. War robot. This robot you will see that is based on AI.